Oh, that nasty. Look at that sludge there on the right. Look at that sludge. There's a lot more of it. Nasty. All right, got this one off. Let's get her filled up and put the new one on. All right, we're a couple beers in on the night. Figured now is as good a time as any to do a little work on the excavator. Not digging work where I might get hurt. Maintenance work where I might mess something up. No, we're just gonna change some fuel filters. The machine started getting doggy on me the other day, bogging down every time it'd load up. And it's done this to me before. Make you think it's a hydraulic problem because every time you run the hydraulics it messes up, but then when you think about it, it's just yeah, the hydraulic pump is directly coupled to the engine, so if your engine isn't getting power, then your hydraulics don't get power. So anyway, we've got 2 fuel filters on this machine. This is a fuel water separator, and then up here on the engine itself we've got the actual fuel filter. And we're going to see how quick we can do this today. There, yeah, the fuel filter. I've got filter pliers. Those should be enough to do it. But I was going to show you how I'm rigged up here already. I got to put diesel in the machine anyway. So, I've already got my diesel barrels hooked up to the tractor, ready to go. Well, not quite ready to go. I got to put the suction hose in the barrel. And I got my pump run up here. So, I'm going to pop the filters off. Use the pump on the barrels to fill them back up with fresh fuel, spin them back on, and then I'll top off what's left in the barrel into the excavator itself. Wonder if I ought to save a little bit to put in Wilbur. I don't know how much dirt work I'll do tomorrow, and then the next day I know I'm not gonna get anything done, so maybe save a little bit of diesel for Wilbur. We'll see how much I feel like, but I think this barrel here is pretty much full. Sorry, the one with the lid off. That one is full. So the machine excavator won't take all that. I can put half of it in the excavator and put the other half in Wilbur. That'd be fine. So anyway, let me get these filters yanked off here, filled up, and I'll let you know how it goes on the Okay, so from the time that I stopped yapping just a couple minutes ago, 7 minutes. 7 minutes to get the fuel water separator swapped out, and that was actually before I took the little video interruption to show you how nasty it was. And I got the main fuel filter up top done. So we're going to kick our pump on here and run in some fuel in the machine too. Woo-wee! I like this little diesel transfer pump. That's good stuff. Oh, can you guys see it? Pretty red diesel. Oh yeah, good ag diesel there. So let's let her run for a couple minutes anyway. I'll take a peek in the barrel and see how full it is, but like I said, I want to save some for Wilbur. Just want to make sure I kind of split it half in two in both machines, so if I do work tomorrow, I don't end up having one machine full of diesel and one machine out of diesel. So anyway, yeah, 7 minutes. The filters were $100, so that's the downside to doing it, but 7 minutes to change the filters. Granted, I had setup time, whatever. But yeah, and best of all, I did it while enjoying my cold beer. Because what is a Memorial Day if you can't have a cold beer? In honor of our troops and everybody that's giving me this right. Thank you, gentlemen. Okay, that's enough on this silly video. But hopefully Rosie's running a little better now that we've done this. It's long overdue.